Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a recipient name on Remitly. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly application and then log into your account using your email address and your password, and you will be taken into the home page. Now, once you are within the home page, if you wish to change the name for any recipient or receiver, click on the recipients option at the bottom section. And now you will see all of the recipients that you have added onto your account. Go ahead and tap on any recipient that you wish to change the name of, and now you will see the edit option at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the first, middle as well as the last name of this recipient. Go ahead and enter your desired new name and then scroll down and click on the save button. And now your new name will be saved for this recipient right away. You can come back to this menu and make any changes at any time that you wish for any contact or recipient within your Remitly account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your receiver name on Remitly. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.